The D7500 incorporates the same sensor and Speed 5 imaging processor as the D500. That allows for the same increase in the expanded ISO sensitivity range to ISO 1,640,000. However, the native sensitivity range, the top of which is usually as high as you want to go for decent quality low-light photography, only increases by a stop over the D7200 ISO 51,200. The D7500 increases to 8 frames per second continuous shooting speed, with an improved buffer of up to 50 RAW frames. So while Nikon didn't update the autofocus system, I'm hoping the new metering system will allow it to focus fast enough to work with the higher frame rate. It did add group area autofocus to the AF area options, which is great. And though Nikon's touting the 950 shot battery life, that's actually a drop from the D7200's 1100 shot rating. The body has been redesigned slightly to make it a little smaller and lighter. Plus, I have been asking for a tilting or articulated display on the series for years, and woohoo. But it looks like the sacrifice was two of my favorite features. It has only one card slot, the D7200 has two, and Nikon moved the metering button to the set on the left side of the LCD from the top of the camera where it was faster and easier to access. It also exchanges Bluetooth for NFC for a persistent low-power connection to mobile devices. Sadly, Nikon Snap Bridge app still rates less than 3 stars on both the Apple and Google App Stores. 4K UHD/30p recording comes to a lower Nikon price point, with capabilities similar to that of the D500. I'm not crazy about Nikon's Live View autofocus, though, and with the exception of the added ability to calibrate AF for individual lenses, it's unchanged. But Nikon has incorporated power aperture control, which allows the camera to adjust exposure more smoothly for less jarring transitions from its higher-end cameras. The D7500 also supports in-camera time-lapse movies.